Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can quickly fix the microphone not working issue on any of the Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. We can start by clicking on the speaker icon in the bottom left corner of our screen and select it. And then just go over and select the option of sound settings and open it up. Now once you head over to your sound settings, you can go over the input section right here. And within input, make sure the option of microphone is selected and not muted. This option should be selected and you can speak into the mic. You can just go over and do so and check it out. Also check the correct microphone. So within your settings itself, go to the system section and within system, go to sound and this pops up. And here under input section, you can just go over and open up this section right here or select this option of pairing a new device. And here you can click on add device and choose a device for speaking or recording and select the correct mic, for example, USB mic, headphone mic, built-in mic, etc. Also allow your apps to use the microphone. So within the settings itself, you need to head over to the privacy and security section and open it up. And once you open the privacy and security, scroll down, look out for the microphone option and select it. And within microphone, what you need to do is you need to turn on this option called microphone access. To turn it on, and especially turn it on for the application that you would like to let access for your microphone. So if you want your Microsoft Teams to access your microphone, you can turn this option on right here so that you will be able to access it and let the apps access your microphone. If not this, you can update or reinstall the audio driver. So hit Windows plus X and you can choose the device manager from here and select it. And once you open up your device manager, you can expand the audio inputs and outputs. So just go over and look out for the audio inputs and outputs. For your speaker or microphone, you can just go over and select this option and expand it up. And here, right click on your microphone that you're currently using. And just select this option of update driver. You can just go and search automatically for the drivers or browse your computers for drivers and do so. And that should install the best driver for your device. If it still does not work, you can even uninstall it. Right click on it and select the option of uninstall and restart your PC. And Windows should reinstall it automatically. Apart from that, you can just go over and run the Windows built-in troubleshooter. So go to settings for that. And within your settings, look out for the system option and select it. And just go over and select the option of troubleshoot and open it up. Within troubleshoot, select this option of other troubleshooters. And within here, you can look out for the recording audio microphone that is available here and select the option of run here and run the troubleshooter and follow the steps and fix the issue. And sometimes it may be physical issues as well, so you can check it out. You can try another port, test the mic on another device and see if it is a physical issue. Apart from that, though, the solutions you can follow up and we can fix the microphone not working issue on Windows. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.